60-year-old man held for the chopping death of his ex-girlfriend's partner. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 60-year-old man from retirement district in Wattown, St. Anne is in police custody after allegedly chopping the partner of his former spouse to death. The dead man has been identified as Roy Alexander of Trice District, Alexander in St. Anne. Reports are that about 6 p.m. on Friday, Alexander went to visit his girlfriend, who has a child for the accused. The police stated that the 36-year-old woman who lives in Discovery Bay and the accused are no longer in a relationship. It is reported also that the accused man had gone to visit his child also. Alexander reportedly saw the accused man at the premises on his arrival. It is unclear what led to the altercation, during which Alexander was shot several times. The police were called to the scene and the injured man taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The accused was held later that night and remained in custody pending further investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.